5. Salmon and cold water fish declines. Driving rivers, warmer waters killing eggs, juveniles, and blocking migration. 4. Range shifts poleward or upward. Animals in familiar lowlands mountains forced to higher, cooler areas, shrinking livable space. 3. Increased extreme events. Stable habitats, destruction from floods, droughts, storms, killing animals directly. 2. More human-wildlife conflict. Wildlife staying in shrinking ranges, venturing into human areas for food, water. Raising risks. 1. Overall biodiversity loss. Resilient ecosystems, accelerating extinctions and population crashes as multiple threats compound.